Oh no. Oh yeah. Hello internet. Hope you're doing good. In Sweden we have a saying. Det finns inget dåligt väder, bara dåliga kläder. And that means there is no bad weather, just bad clothes. So I thought I'd see if that is true. As you can see, it's raining a lot. And I hope my camera is waterproof. I thought I'd try out my new riding suit. The Richa, whatever you say. Richa Armada GTX Pro. It's a 3-layer laminate GTX Gore-tex. And it's supposed to be 100% waterproof. So I'm gonna see if they are right. I haven't been riding this in the rain any time before, so I had it for, I don't know, maybe 2-3 months or something. I tried it in warm weather and a little colder weather, but not in rain. So that's what I'm doing now. In warm weather it actually works pretty good. There are good ventilation in the chest area and along the whole zipper, and also an exhaust ventilation in the back. So far I'm dry, and on the arms, of course. And I think there are also some zippers under your arms, in the armpits. I have never opened them, so I don't know. And also you have ventilation on the pants right there. But to be fair, that's a little bit not as good as I would like. When it's warm outside and the sun is shining, this is, well, the suit is black. It attracts the heat, and the zippers on the pants, they are located very far out, and the exhaust vent on the back is very close, so they're like, I don't know, maybe 7 centimeters between them. There should be one more in front and one more in the back. It would be better. So the ventilation on the jacket is very good. The ventilation on the pants could have been a little better. This is the Richa Armada Pro GTX. There is what is called 1.1. It's an updated version. This is not that. This is the first model because it was a lot cheaper, and no one could tell me what difference it was. I asked many sellers, and they said they didn't know. Pretty much the same, they said. And I actually contacted Richa themselves, and they said something about a little bit different in the chest area. Not more specific than that. I asked about the pants, and one seller said that the new version was wider. But I'm not sure. And the fun thing is that I ordered the old version, or the standard version if you call it that, but I got sent the 1.1 updated one, so that's good. And oh shit, she's out running in this weather. I was gonna say she's stupid, but here I am. I have a Norway trip coming up, and there will guaranteed be rain, because this always rains in Norway. So I wanted to try this before. So far I can't feel wet anywhere. And well, the price is, well, you have to look that up yourself. It's so different from where you buy and where you find it. I think I paid like I don't know, maybe 600 euros for the pants, and what was it, 900 for the jacket. So well, you can look up the specs yourself if you want to know what protection there is and so on. I'm just doing the waterproof test, and so far I'm dry. I'm gonna go for a while, and then I get back to you. So yeah, ciao. Yeah, I might as well mention it. I have the shoes, or the boots, CD Adventure 2, I believe they're called. Also Gore-tex. I've had this for, I think, maybe 7 years or something, maybe 8 years, and they are still waterproof. I mean, it's just crazy for such an old boots, well used. They are still waterproof. That is an excellent yeah, that's excellent. The gloves, also Gore-tex. Didn't even think of that before now. Also Richa. I've had these for, I don't know, 3 years maybe. I haven't used them that much. They are very warm, but they are also very short. And that's kind of a stupid combo for me. I mean, if I want warm clothes, I want the long gloves. And you can see these are very short. They end right there. So it's hard to get it all sealed for the rain. The rain will get in there, I know that. But I guess that's on me for buying them. They seem to be waterproof, at least. I'm not wet yet. There is well, what can that be called? A little, like, it's like a scarf, waterproof scarf on this jacket, where you can, that you can attach to get it more sealed from rain, so it doesn't leak in the neck area. I'm not using that right now. Oh, I actually think the microphone connected this time. So I'm doing some highway, and I thought that if this is going to leak, it's going to leak on the highway. I'm 130 kilometers an hour, almost 128. And so far I'm dry. I've been out for, I don't know, half an hour maybe. And now I'm going about 25-30 kilometers on the highway. And if it's dry after that, or if I'm dry after that, then I would give it a pass. But yes, that's it. Getting back to you later. Ciao. Yes, connected again. So I am almost home, and so far I am dry as gunpowder, which was very good. It's a little bit, I can feel a little bit cold of the legs, but that's not because I'm wet, it's because the water is cold. So far I have to say thumbs up for this Richa Armada Pro GTX. Let's see if we can do it like that. Holy shit, this is not easy. This should be good enough. So, this is what it looks like. On the back, there's a zipper on the back. There are vents here. I actually noticed I forgot to pull down these zippers here. And then you have all this is also a vented zipper for hotter days. So this is good, and on the legs you can see they're very close together. So if one should be more on the out front and one on the back, it would probably vent a little better. Pockets, I think they are waterproof. There is a zipper there at least, and Velcro. Yep, so that's it. So far I'm happy. Ciao.